So today we are gonna be unboxing our first product, that is gonna be a Zebronics Zeb Power USB optical mouse. According to the price budget it offers, it is quite a great mouse, and first of all let's unbox it and see what we get inside the Amazon packaging itself. So here we go. Tearing the packaging, we get the mouse and the normal Amazon bill which we always get under the Amazon perspectives. Talking about the mouse packaging, it actually satisfies the Zebronics packaging tradition, that is white colored box with a little blue and yellow colored. And talking about the box itself, it is normal cardboard box, nothing more than that I would say. On the box we have certain specifications written over it, like it supports 1200 dpi USB interface, 3 button high precision sensor, and a simple plug and play system. And in that precision I would say the sensor is quality is quite also nice. Let's say further, as you can see there is no seal, which is also quite shocking for myself also, that you are getting a new product with no seal. But as we are unboxing it in front of the camera, we will have proof if we want to return it or something. Let's unbox the packaging. On opening the packaging, the first thing we get is the USB cable of the mouse and the mouse. There is no guide or something that obviously you don't need with such a mouse that is so simple to use and easy, to be honest. First review, to be honest, mouse is small. It is very light. It weighs around like 52 grams, not more than that, which is quite comfortable for many users. But due to its small size, it actually kind of unfits sometimes and kind of fits for someone. It depends on each perspective, to be honest. But for myself, it is quite okay. It fits in my hand easily. The cable here we get is a 1 meter long cable, which is quite enough according to me for every casual or individual PC, laptop, whether you want to use it on a table, a desktop, or even on a bed you want to use on a table also. And further talking about the cable, it is quite a very thin cable, to be honest, on my perspective. Now let's test the mouse by plugging it in a laptop. Now let's use USB A connector and let's see how fast is the plug and play test. So as you can see, the laptop and mouse instantly gets detected by each other. The laptop here I am using is Asus TUF FX 505T, which is a great laptop under its condition. Talking about the mouse precision, it gets around 9 right clicks in every 10 clicks. It sometimes lag. The roller quality is nice. I actually like the roller because it has a little raw feeling to it, but I really like that. It gives a more commandable and more controllable type of feeling to your hand. But as you can see, the most of the time my hand is resting on the plane. I don't get much way to maneuver around with the mouse. I have not such area because I'm resting my hand on the table, not on the mouse. Sometimes I need that to be, if I want to maneuver much around, if I want to use more area to cover with the same mouse, which you can see here I cannot do that if I'm using this one, which is quite small with its perspective. So yeah, as you can see, it gets each click right, correct. Even if sometimes it didn't get a click right, it's okay, you can get used to it in some time. But I would say it is not for big hands, it is for small hands, not for very big hands. I would suggest that. So now, talking about the conclusion, yes, this mouse does feel cheap quality. The plastic feels a little too dull according to my liking. But yeah, where it stands out is its compact and simple design. It's a budget friendly device. It comes with a 1-year whole warranty from the company end, which is Zebronics, and I quite trust this company. Where it is small and compact, it actually have some negatives. Due to having the small size, I can't rest my hand over it. The quality of plastic doesn't give me a proper grip. The missing grip causes an uncomfortable feel. This uncomfortable feel is the biggest backend I would say about this mouse. But still, I can say that the quality and sensor is good. Now here you can see that my hand is not resting on the mouse, it is resting on the plane. Due to this I have pain. I used this mouse for around 4 to 5 hours and it caused pain in the lower half of the hand, which is quite uncomfortable for someone if you want to use it for professional use. It can cause pain in hand, which is not a good thing. And due to this uncomfortable design, I don't like it. But the plus point is, if you have a small hand, get this. If you have a tight budget, get this. Thank you.